Hi there, this is Sam from EasyTradingSignals.com, and we're going to take just a quick look at one of our newest indicators, the Trend EX Arrows or Trend Early Cross Arrows indicator, which is actually an improvement or an update to our existing ATS Trending Arrows indicator. What you see here right now is the Trend X Arrows, Trend Early Cross Arrows indicator, and it includes everything that you see here on the chart. So all of the moving averages, all of the arrows, the primary arrows, as well as the secondary smaller arrows, and of course, as per usual, you can go and switch those on and off, or even change some of these settings, although the default settings should be sufficient for pretty much any market and any time frame. So let's just contrast this very quickly. We're looking at Apple 1 minute, and of course it works with Bitcoin, crypto, Forex, everything else as well. So if you want to know whether you would have seen the recent monster move on Bitcoin using the Trend EX Arrows indicator, yes, it appears you would have been able to see that both over here as well as before it dropped. And when it recovered again, you had at least 2 warnings over there. So, and that's on the 50-minute, and of course, you can put it on pretty much any time frame that you want. There you go. Very nice little indication of potential up move before it in fact go ahead and rocket up. And you'll see that what it does is it indicates early. In other words, even right here at the bottom, you have a strong indication that there is an uptrend potentially forming. And it also warns you very quickly if it's going to turn. So yes, you will get cases like this where you have an indication that the market might potentially turn, but as soon as it detects the opposite, it will warn you as much as it can that there is a reversal in process. And the idea is to go with the large arrows for the majority of your trading, and to use smaller arrows either as confirmation to get out, or potentially if you wanted to use it for an entry, like for instance over there, if you have some other reason to believe that the market is going to turn. So just to show you, comparing that to the Trending Arrows indicator, the Trending Arrows indicator works primarily using the moving averages. So you'll see that over here it indicates down arrows, over there it indicates an up. Over here, eventually it catches up and shows you that the market is in fact heading upwards. But you'll see that with the Trend X Arrows indicator, the size of the arrows, and in some cases also positions where the arrows are shown, are different from the Trending Arrows indicator. And this is to make it just more of a generalist indicator where you can pretty much use it for anything. So let's just step through a couple of days here. You'll see once again over here, it's quite effective at identifying the trend early. And of course, you should very much still use the moving averages to let you know what direction the market is going in, both longer term as well as shorter term. And of course, these are excellent to use for exits. And we have the normal potential turnaround indications, these little crosses here as well, that'll pop up as soon as a potential slowdown in the market is detected or potential turnaround in the market is detected. Those will show up, and they indicate to you that the market may turn either just temporarily, or it might be the start of a longer term reversal, as it is in this particular case. So here we have some excellent signals over here for both directions, and you'll see that it continues right throughout the day, where you have multiple options to enter the market, and guiding you all along the way, both with the moving averages, as you can see where it touches, as well as the indications letting you know that you might have reached your peak. For instance, over there, or over here, over there, and of course, you still need to actually know how to trade, but the idea with the training EX arrows as well as the training arrows indicators are to help you to trade better and to get better entries for your trades. So in this particular case, if I just turn off the training EX arrows and turn the training arrows on, you'll see that because the trends are not really established, the market has been in quite a bit of turmoil. You often have cases where the primary arrows that are indicating in the direction of the general trend may not be, perfect as you would like them to be. And because of this change in how the market is responding the last couple of weeks, months, I've worked to create the training EX arrows, the early cross arrows, so that you have a tool that is just absolutely like a sniper, getting in and out of the market as much as possible in the perfect conditions. So let's move on to the next day. I'm just going to go through a couple of days here before Christmas. Once again, this is pretty tough market to trade, but you can see that the signals once again are pretty darn accurate. And once again, you can very clearly see the overall trend of the market. You can see how the market responds to the moving averages, and this should give you very clear indications of when to enter and exit the market overall. So just 1 or 2 more days and that'll be it. There you go, it's the day before Christmas. I'm just going to stop here. Once again, very good indication of this massive move up here as well as here, and early warning of the market tiring and starting to decline. Okay, so that's basically it. That's all I wanted to show you. Just a quick update on the new indicator. Now this will be available, is already available on our site, easytradingsignals.com. Just go to it and look for the signals over there. Look for Easy Trading Signals. You will find it. And this is part of the combo deal. You'll be able to select this as well as the training arrows indicator, and actually being sold as a package. When you buy the one, you'll get the other one. It's just fair, right, to you all to get latest and the best stuff all together. So it'll be a combo deal, and you can choose either from a monthly subscription or a once-off payment, and just check out the details on the once-off payment. Because of how PayPal works, you just need to be aware of how they set things up. That's it. So hey, I hope that you'll be able to use this to trade much better, and you're welcome to send me an email. As always, you have 7 days to try it out for yourself on any and as many charts as you want to see if it's going to work for you. So I hope that helped you, and I hope to be speaking to you soon. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, trade easy.